FCNRB. There are three types of forex account basically for NRIs: NRE, NRO, and FCNRB. Okay, so very important topic. Follow the video till the end. Let's start. Okay, yesterday I had asked you one question in the homework. Okay, this is yesterday's homework. The portfolio, which consists of perfectly positive correlated assets, having no effect of, means, what do you mean by this? So this yesterday, firstly understand, yesterday's topic was very important. It was on portfolio risk. Okay, so that portfolio which is positively correlated means all the stocks or all the bonds move in the same direction. So it will have no effect of, means what will not affect that portfolio, means I am having 5 shares, okay, or 5 bonds, I'll call it. I am having 5 bonds and all are moving in the same direction. If one goes up, everyone goes up. That is called as positive correlation. There is a huge risk involved in such bonds, because if one goes down, everyone will go down. So I always remember, it should not be, all the bonds should not be positively correlated. Okay, but forget about, that's a separate question. Today's question is very simple. Those bonds which are positively correlated, means moving in the same direction, having no effect of, will have no effect of what? Negativity, positivity, correlation, or diversification. So which one will not affect these bonds at all? Which one? Which one? What do you think? What do you think will not affect these bonds at all? Yeah? What? Yesterday I have seen some answers. Correct? Many of them give the answer of negativity, but the correct answer is diversification. Okay? Because negativity will equally affect all the 5 bonds. If one bond is down, all the bonds will be down. Positivity, it's obviously positive. Correlation, these are positively correlated. It's already mentioned. So the answer over here is diversification. There is no diversification involved in these bonds, and that is the worst part. This is the worst type of bond portfolio. Always remember, if any bond portfolio or any stock portfolio, if it is having positive correlation among all the stocks, it is a huge risk for you as a banker. Okay, they should always be, some stocks should be negatively correlated, some stocks or bonds should be zero correlated. That's the way it should move. Okay, loan against balances held in FCNRB account can be permitted up to, so it can be permitted up to what? 50 lakhs with 35% margin. Means if I am having FCNRB account with you, what is FCNRB first? Firstly tell me that. Who can tell me? Okay, let me ask you 1 or 2 questions. Is FCNRB account in rupees or is it in, let's say, simple dollars? Okay, is it in rupees or dollars, FCNRB account? Tell me that first. Is FCNRB in rupees or in dollars? Who can tell me? Correct. In the comment section. I want it in the comment section now. So it is in dollars. Correct. Remember, FCNRB account is never held in rupees. Never ever. Okay. Then which account is held in rupees? It's here. NRE, NRO. Right. These 2 accounts are always held in rupees. Okay, these 2 are always held in rupees, and FCNRB is always held in dollars. Okay, now one more question. Let me get the quick test of all these things. Okay, let's do the quick check. NRE consists of which type of accounts? NRE, NRO both. Okay, combined. NRE, NRO both combined consist of which type of account? Savings, current, FD. So which type of accounts exist in NRE and NRO? Saving, current, or FD, or saving or and current combination, or FD? Who can tell me? Yeah, it is. What? See here, this is apart from this question, but this is a logical question, and this is what you must know always. Okay. So NRE, NRO is always in all the 3. We have NRE FD, NRE saving, NRE current. Similarly, NRO FD, NRO current, that current and NRO saving. Okay. And what is FCNRB? So FCNRB, do I have the saving, current, or FD in FCNRB? Do I have saving, current, or FD in FCNRB? Everyone type fast. Yeah. We have only FD. FCNRB is only FD. It is never a saving or current account. Okay. Very important points. These are the basics of these forex accounts. Okay. Okay, NRE, NRO, FCNR done, this saving current difference done. Okay, if anything more, I'll come to it later. Okay, let's answer this question. So this is an FD now. So if this is an FD, it's simply FDOD, isn't it? So loan against, if I'm having FCNRB with you, I'm having an FD with you. So how much amount can you give me as a loan? 50 lakhs with 35% margin, 100 lakhs with 35% margin, 1 million without any margin, dollar. And any amount subject to usual margin requirements. So what is the answer? Is it limited to 1 million? 1 million means 10 lakhs. Always remember, 1 million means 10 lakhs USD. Huge amount. Okay. But is it limited to that? No, the answer is D. Any amount subject to usual margin. It's an FDOD. I am keeping an FD with you and you are giving me an OD on this. It's as simple. Okay. So understand one simple logic here. One more point I'll tell you about this FCNRB OD. Okay. If I'm having FCNRB with you, okay, FCNRB with you in dollars. Okay. So can I get the OD in dollars or will I get it in rupees? What is the option available to me? Can I get the FCNRB OD in dollars or in rupees? Now many of you will say, sir, currency is dollar, FD is dollar, so I must get the loan in dollar also. But that is not the case. Always remember, I can get the OD in dollars as well as rupees also. Because what has bank to do? It has just to give the loan in dollars and convert it to rupees using that regular rate, right? So that rate will be used and bank will give me the loans. Isn't it? So that's what the point is. FCNRB, even if it is in dollars or any currency, let it be dollar, GBP, Australian dollars, or any currency. Okay. So OD can be in dollars or in rupees. Got it? Clear? Clear, everyone? Move on. Yeah. Who advises the weekly average rates of FCNRB deposits to the AD? AD means bank, authorized dealer. Okay. So who advises the weekly rates of FCNRB? Forex Association of India, FEDI, Exim Bank, or SBI. SBI is out. Okay, first option SBI is out. Okay, because SBI is a bank like any other bank, right? So how can it advise the rates to various banks? Okay. So who advises? Forex Association, FEDI, or Exim Bank? Exim Bank has nothing to do with this. Okay, remember, Exim Bank is mainly deciding the policies, and all the major big transactions are done by Exim Bank. Remember, okay. So that is also out. Forex Association. This association is not related to this banking as such. Forex Association is totally a different association which is only related to dollars, means whatever the dollars are going on and whatever is, are the business problems over here. So the correct answer is only FEDI. FEDI advises the rates of FCNRB to the AD. Okay, whom does FEDI work under? FEDI works under RBI. Always remember. Okay, move on. Understood? What is the difference between FCNR-A and FCNR-B? Now many of you might be thinking, we use FCNR-B, what is A then? Understand, FCNR-B means bank, this B means bank. Actually this B over here equals to bank. Okay, understand this. This is bank. Okay, then what is A? There is no account called as FCNR-B. A. Earlier it was there. 1993, before 1993 it was there, FCNR-A was there, but that has been replaced now. It was replaced by FCNR-B account in 1993. FCNR-A does not exist anymore. It was there before 1993. Okay. All FCNR accounts today are FCNR-B accounts. There is no FCNR-A account now. Clear? Because this question might be there in your minds for many times. You always hear this FCNR-B, FCNR-B. You think, what is this FCNR-A? If this is B, then there can be A, B, C, D, anything it can be. So what is it? So remember, there were only two things, A and B, but A is also gone now. So only B now. B is for banks, okay? B means banks. Before going ahead, download Adda 24/7 app on your mobile. In this app, you will be getting all the premium study materials, current affairs, job alerts, live classes, ebooks, tests, whatever you require for clearing JIB and CIB, you'll get it over here. Okay, so download it right now. Okay, subscribe to this. Okay, also subscribe to Officers Adda 24/7 YouTube channel. In this channel, you will be getting two things. Number one, latest updates on JIB and CIB, and number two, free YouTube series on all the subjects. Whatever you're watching right now is free YouTube series. So subscribe to this, click on the bell icon immediately. Okay, immediately do this. Pause this video, do it over there, because this will help you only. If you click on the bell icon, all the latest videos will come to you. Okay, now let's solve a case study. Now very difficult one, tricky one, I'll tell you, really tricky one. Let me see how many of you can solve it. Okay, very logical and sincere. If you understand it, it's very simple. Otherwise, it's very tricky. Okay, International Bank successfully contracted an FCNRB deposit of USD 10 million for a period of 5 years. Okay, so this is the bank, and it has got an FCNRB deposit of USD 10 million. Okay, for 5 years. Out of these funds, the bank retains USD 4 million as deposit with high rated US bank in its Nostro account. Understand this, whatever is going on. Okay, 10 million FD got. Now this bank will do something with this amount, isn't it? 4 million gone to Nostro account of one bank, and converts the remaining amount into Indian rupees at the prevailing rate of 46. On the basis of this, answer the following questions. Now understand the question, whatever has happened over here. See this, customer, there is a customer. Okay, customer, he has given a FD, let's keep it simple, FD, okay, of 10 million, $10 million. Okay, this is the bank, right? So this bank has got this FD of $10 million. Done. Now what has this bank done of this 10 million? It has divided it into two parts. 4 million it has put in Nostro. So safe. Nostro means what's here? High rated US bank. So safe. But remember one important point. In Nostro, you don't get any interest. No interest. Okay. So here, no interest. Is the bank earning anything on this now? This 4 million, they have kept it in this Nostro. So is this bank earning anything on this 4 million now? No. Whatever it has to earn on this remaining 6 million. What did it do with this 6 million? It converted it to rupees. At what rate? 46. Right? 46. It converted it to rupees. Okay. So what is the case now? What are the questions? Firstly, have you got this problem up till now? USD 10 million FD, then 4 million invested in Nostro, 6 million in rupees. Okay, that's it, at 46 rupees. So, what do you mean by this 6 million invested in rupees? Means what? See, this bank was having $6 million. So, it sold 6 million at 46 rupees. Understand whatever I am telling you. It sold 6 million at 46 rupees. Sold. Okay. Got it? Now let's move on. If the foreign currency rate moves to 46.5. So now look at this. That's what I said. Focus on whatever I am saying. Bank sold. I'll write it over here. Sold at 46. Oh, 46. Okay. Got it? Simple. To market. Whom did they sell to? They sell it in the open market. I'll call this is known as open market. There are many buyers. Okay. So open market. They sold it at 46. Now the rate goes to, now so see these dollars are sold. Now the rate goes to 46.5. Suppose if this customer who has given this FD of 10 million, tomorrow itself that customer comes to the bank. Okay, this was my FD. I want my FD back. I want my money back. Tomorrow he comes. And at that time the rate has gone to 46.5. So this 46.5. So at what rate will the bank purchase it from that market? Tell me fast. If tomorrow this customer comes to this bank for withdrawal of this FD, 4 million they'll get it easily because that's kept in the nostro. They'll immediately get it because that's not earning any interest. They'll debit this and get it in their account. Okay, so that 4 million is gone. So that's a easy task. But what about the 6 million? This 6 million they have sold it in the market. Now if that customer comes back, this 6 million they'll have to buy back from the market. But what is the rate now? 0.5. So the bank has sold at 46 and buying at 46.5. So what is it? Foolishness, isn't it? So how much will be the loss? 0.5. Okay, 0.5 into 6 million. Only 6 million, right? So 0.5 into 6 million. So what will be the loss over here? 0.5 here. 6 million they have brought it, and the bank will gain or lose. Firstly type this gain or lose in the comment section. The bank will gain or bank will lose. So the bank will definitely lose. So A is out. This, right? Okay. Now what about B? The bank will gain or lose? Yeah. Yes. It will 0.5 into 6 million. 0.5 means what? 46.5 rupees. So 0.5 into 6. So it will lose basically, right? So it will lose how much? It will lose the 3 million. Correct? This is the answer. Got it, everyone? So bank will basically lose. Remember this. Okay? Yeah. So move on. What type of position is the bank is having presently after the transaction? After the transaction means what? After this first transaction, not this question. This is over here. So what type of position this bank is having? So this bank is having oversold position of USD 4 million, oversold position of USD 6 million, overbought position of USD 6 million, and none of these. What is the position the bank is having? Oversold or overbought? Okay, let me give you some hints. So none of these is out. Overbought is out because it's in the oversold position. It has sold 6 million. So it is in the oversold position of, correct, B, 6 million. So that is the real answer. Okay, the one for your homework. In the financial markets, bond prices and inflation are. Now you'll say, sir, just now we did it in the start of that session, but the question was different at that time. Bond prices and it was what? Yield. They were inversely related. But what about inflation? Bond prices and inflation are inversely related, directly related, inversely or directly related depending on the type of the bond, and none of these. Check it out. Tomorrow I'll answer it. Okay. Now let me show you. See, this batch is starting on March 24th. Yesterday, just now started. Okay. So join this batch ASAP. All the 4 subjects ABM, BFM, ABFM, BRBL are covered. 80% off is going on. Double validity on Mahapack. Double validity means, and what is the Mahapack? Mahapack means 12 plus batches, 15 plus batches per subject. Means ABM 15 plus, BFM 15 plus, ABFM and BRBL all 15 plus batches. So join it ASAP. Okay, 80% off. If you are having the app, 81%. Okay, by the way, how many of you have liked this video up till now? Kindly like it, dear. Please like it. Also subscribe to the bell icon. Okay, subscribe to the channel, click on the bell icon. If you have understood it, write in the comment section yes. Just write why. That is also okay. We'll understand that yes, you have understood it. If you have not understood, type N. Then also it's okay, so that we can work on it. Okay. So I'll show you now how to use this Y432 code. 80% off. See here, you won't get this 80% off without this code. Keep it simple. So let me show you how to get this code. Okay, let's go to Adda 24/7 live. Okay, let me show you. Okay, one sec. Let me go to Adda 24/7 live. If you are having the app, I would suggest go on the app. Because in the app you are getting 1% extra, 81%. Why? There is a coin system in the app. Okay, there is a coin system, good coin system. Okay, so go for it. Okay, let me show you. Go to Adda 24/7. Go on this on the front page itself. Go there. Click on this JIB CIB. See this JIB CIB. Click over here. Clicked. You'll see these batches. JIB CIB Mahapack, CIB 23, JIB 23. Click on CIB 23. Okay, you'll see the details of the batches. Okay, so these batches, see this CIB, ABM, BFM, this common batch. Okay, March 24th, click on this batch, English. It's a complete batch. Okay, you'll see the details over here. What are the timings, what are the dates. Okay, ABM started just now. I only took it. I was the one, I am handling ABM over here. Okay, so BFM also I'll be handling. ABM, BFM both are toughest topics. Okay, so I'll be handling those, and remaining also here. All the topics in CIB this time are difficult. It's not that simple. Earlier what used to have, ABM, BFM difficult, retail easy, and subject CIB cleared. Now nothing. All the 4 subjects are difficult. ABM, BFM, ABFM, BRBL, all the 4 are difficult. So follow it, follow the batches completely. Okay, now let me show you the discounts. See this, 23,999. Click on view offers, put the code Y432. You can read the details, it's given already over there. Click on apply, look at this. 80% off means 23,999 reduces to 4,799. Such a huge discount you guys are getting. Okay, also I would suggest go for the Mahapacks. In Mahapacks what happens, you get 15 plus batches per subject. What is the Mahapack? See here, click on this, go to the front page again, JIB CIB Mahapack, click over here, click on CIB ka Mahapack, you'll see this. Read this. 15 plus batches for ABM, BFM, all the 4 subjects. Then live video classes. Then recorded videos are obviously there for each one of them. Okay, use it immediately. Okay, what is the fees? 35,996. Click on view offers, put the code Y432, Y432. Click on apply. Look at this, apply. Okay, now what are you getting? See this, 35,996 reduces to 7,199. 80% off you are getting, and that also validity is 6 plus 6 double 12 months. Divide this 7,199 by 12, you get almost what? 600 rupees per month, 20 rupees per day, 30 paisa per batch, 15 plus batches if you count. So it's an investment for lifetime. Go for it. 30 paisa per batch, my god. So go for it immediately. Okay, you won't get anything cheaper than this, and this is an investment for lifetime. I'll be back tomorrow with another series. Till then, bye. Keep studying and do join the batches. Just now started, discounts on. Okay.